As always, please retry the question before watching the video. What is the WTD for conjunction questions? You don't know the answer, add to your cheat sheet, master it, and go back 5 before continuing the video. And that is, read the clause before and after without reading the conjunction to determine the relationship. What are the 4 main relationships? Continuation, contrast, cause and effect, and time. With those in mind, let's go ahead and take a look at 35. After learning that flickers seek out soft rotted wood when excavating nests, the team recommended the removal of dead trees from the area. Upon learning that flickers forage for food on the ground, birds speculated that tidy lawns made crawling insects easily visible. So, take a second, pause the video if you need to, see if you can determine what the relationship is. Continuation, contrast, cause and effect, or time. All right, so the relationship here is going to be continuation. All right, so it gives one example of something they found that might keep the birds away, and then it gives a new example of something they found that might keep the birds away. All right, so it's not going to be A, for instance, because this would be giving us an example of what it just said before, but it's giving us a new example. I'm going to skip B. C does the same thing as A. It's saying it's going to give us a new example, or it's going to reiterate the same example it just gave us. Indeed does the same thing. It re-emphasizes the same thing. It just says just a little bit stronger. Likewise is the only one that works here. It's saying this thing, and then likewise this other similar thing they found, but not saying the exact same thing as the others say they are doing, reiterating what was just said, confirming our answer B. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, write what you learned along with the answer on the explanation side, and then continue on to do the remaining conjunction questions that you missed on this test. If this is the final conjunction question that you missed on this test, please go ahead and do the conjunction mastery until you get 10 questions correct in a row before moving on to the next category.